Hello friends, I am Chetan Singh Chauhan and you are watching News Daily. Our guest today is Mr. Harshal Banker, founder of RapiGrow Business Consultant. RapiGrow is a consultancy firm who helps a second or third generation family business owners on how to sustain and grow their family business. Let's talk with Harshal Banker and get more insight about how his firm is helping to such small scale family business owners.
I am Harshal Banker, founder of RapiGrow Business Consultant, and this event is basically in the collaboration with Masters Union, which is based out at Gurgaon. So this event is typically curated for family business owners. So you have probably seen कि बहुत सारी companies जो होती है वो first generation बहुत अच्छे से drive होती है. When they are get into the second generation और third generation, तो वहाँ तक business dead हो जाता है कोई ना कोई reason से. सो दिस इवेंट इज़ बेसिकली क्यूरेटेड कि किस तरीके से आप अपना जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन बिजनेस में आपने लीगेसी क्रिएट की है उसे किस तरीके से बिजनेस को चैनलाइज किया जाए, स्केल किया जाए ताकि वो आने वाली पीढ़ियों को बेनिफिट करे एंड वो हमेशा बिजनेस ग्रो करता जाए.
Now, what you are going to do in this event? What is the main objective and mission of this event?
Okay, so first we are going to do a fireside chat wherein we'll discuss what are the challenges these companies are facing while they are transforming from one generation to second generation, how they can solve these challenges. Apart from that, we will discuss what are the processes which is missing in the business, which we need to implement in our business to scale in multiple X. Apart from that, we will take the question from the audience, those who are participant, that what sort of challenges they are facing right now and how we can solve these challenges by doing by own. It is not they need to take some services from us. We just want to enable this sort of businesses which are family businesses and they can scale to next level.
And how many business owners or entrepreneurs are going to attend to this, and which uh, genre or which area they are coming from?
So we have got the response from over 150 members, but out of which we wanted to deliver a quality content to these family business owner. So we have restricted entry to around 60. So we expect 50 to 60 business owners will come during this event. And if I talk about the industry, so there is no particular industry we were targeting. So we have covered almost all the industry. And if I talk about the scale of this businesses, so it varies from 15-20 CR to 1000 CR as well.
Why did you choose Masters Union for this corporate?
Okay. So as a RapiGrow business consultant, we are already into the business consulting wherein we are helping businesses to grow next level. And Master Union have a different kind of education model wherein there is no typical professors or you can say lecturers, they are taking the lectures, but the industry experts, those who have already served with the different industries, corporates, with the top management like vice president, to corporates like TCS, Reliance, Aditya Birla Group, this sort of companies. So we know like our collaboration will help SMEs to grow next level because they are also serving first and second generation business owners to scale up.
How many such events you have conducted previously, and what was the outcome, and how much industries or the business owners have actually grown after taking your services or attending such events?
So this event is first event with Masters Union, but yes, we do conduct this kind of events for our existing client, wherein we give different topics training, wherein they learn new things from us and they implement that in their business and they scale up. So till now, like we are into this industry since 9 years, and we have transformed more than 500 companies into the 3x or 4x or probably 10x as well.
There are a lot of such groups or business networking companies or organizations are there already in Ahmedabad. They collect entrepreneurs, combine and do such things. So, what is your uniqueness compared to other organizations?
So the companies you are referring, those are the networking forum. We are not into the networking forum. We are basically a business consulting company and educational institute as a Masters Union. So we just enable them. We are not here to pass the business referral or help them to network within the circle. Those companies like probably like BNI, LBN, there are many other
We don't want
companies,
to
right?
name it.
So we are not those kind of the companies. We are here to enable them to provide the knowledge and solve the challenges.
What are the charges that you take from the business who join you?
So as a consulting company,
Hmm.
we are a tailor-made solution provider. There is no fixed charges for our services,
It's a
depending
customized.
on the challenges and our commitment to their company.
Okay. What kind of offering or services you provide or consultancy services you provide to layman kind of a business and single entrepreneur, proprietor?
Right. So our projects are typically work for at least a year, wherein we give them the sales, HR, finance, operations, and branding consulting. Wherein our team of consultants visit our clients on a regular basis. It's not we do anything at our backend, because when we talk about the backend stuff, there is no transparency. So our consultants usually visit our client. They sit at client place for entire day, deal with the company owner as well as the staff, and solve the challenges. So most biggest problem for any company is implementation. Business owner knows what they want to do, but somehow implementation is a problem. They cannot do that. So as a consulting company, we implement all the strategy and resolve the challenge and make sure that companies scale up to the next level.
Now, you have, as you said, you have grown up, helped 500 plus companies to grow,
Right.
make their revenue. What kind of challenges they actually face? Because you must be
Right.
experienced enough to understand this kind of challenges were possible. So, what are the main challenges you have
So there are
encountered?
three challenges lies in any business.
Hmm.
One is procrastination, so
Mhm.
delay decision you can say. Second, gap in the knowledge, and third one is you can say willingness. They have the knowledge, they have the ability to take decision, but they have got the fear that if I'll take this decision, what if it will backfire? So execution is again one of the challenge, because they do not know how to execute, and what will happen if team members backfire that decision.
So if you find that there is a lack of taking the courage to make the change, to adapt, so is this the main reason you find it, or what, how you tackle that?
So I'll give you the one small
uh,
example. One of our client wanted to increase the pricing of their product, but they were having fear like if they will increase the pricing, what if their current existing client will start giving business to someone else? So what we always do, we do the project on the pilot project basis. So what we did, we increased the pricing for new coming clients. We got the good result out of it. Once when we already started getting new clients, so we announced to the existing client that after 1 month we are going to increase the pricing. So obviously there was a downfall in the existing customer, but again, like we were already having the new customer base. So if we talk about the total turnover during next 3 months was on a higher side, with few less numbers in terms of client, but again that got returned back after 3 months.
so is there any client that you have dealt with for 1 year, helped it to grow, but then the next year they did not come up with you or joined with you?
So there are few clients who did not
Ah,
like took our services in next year, and there are clients wherein we also said like you do not require our services for this
okay.
year. It is not like who took our services, and it's not like gym like you have to go to gym every year.
Any message would you like to give to the aspiring business owners?
So we always believe in one thing: whatever decision you make, it should be through data. It's not just I like this to do, so we do it. So as a consultant as well, whatever decision we are making for our client, or we ask our client to take, it should support the data. So any business should run through process, not people driven. So that's what we follow.
So how you look or analyze the growth of business in Gujarat, and what kind of industry is growing faster than expected?
So there are many industry which grow like next level in last recent year. So if I say about the infra is growing like anything, even in the smaller pockets, because we have clients in smaller pockets like Modasa, Disa, even Bhavnagar, Gandhidham, right? If I talk about chemical, it's majorly into export. So they are doing very good in exports. Spices is a hub for Gujarat. We have many clients in spices industry, and they are doing very good. So recently, like 3 years back, there is one client who started their business, and it was just the starting of their career. So in 3 years, right now they are around 80 CR, and out of 80 CR, their turnover is around 50 CR from export.
So, what is the mission and vision of RapiGrow for the
Uh,
next 5 years?
so for mission, we want to change businesses around 10,000 plus businesses transformation. So that is our mission. We want to transform at least 10,000 businesses.
And where do you find yourself after 5 years?
So right now I'm into multiple businesses. So again, like I do not want to compete with big fours because their expertise lies into corporate, and we want to focus into SMEs only. So right now you can say we are the best consulting company in western part of India. So we want to be number one in India in next 5 years.
All the best and
Thank you.
congratulations. If you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.